Good morning, this is Sam Gurung from Beta 2 Limited with this morning's market report. Date today is the 8th of July 2015. Let me start with an update on Greece. Well, yesterday we had Eurogroup meeting in Brussels in regards to the Greek situation. After the summit, the Eurogroup leaders basically have asked Greece to come out with new proposal which they will then review and make a decision on Sunday whether they want to accept it or not, which could also then dictate whether Greece will stay in the Eurozone. So basically, the Eurogroup leaders and its creditors have made Sunday the sort of main day to decide the sort of Grexit or not Grexit. Now, this basically leaves Tsipras pretty much sort of back to square one where he was before the referendum, because what Tsipras was hoping was that a referendum gives him a stronger negotiating power, and therefore on back of that, hoping that the creditors accept his initial proposal. The fact that they haven't, and they've asked to obviously put a new proposal, shows that in fact there was no need for the referendum in the first place. But nonetheless, Sunday seems like the climax for the Greece to stay in the Eurozone or not. Now, how has this impacted markets in general? Well, equity markets are down. We've seen major corrections in sort of major indices, particularly in the Eurogroup. Euro stocks is down just under 10% since its April highs. We've also seen FTSE 100 under considerable pressure together with stocks in the US. Aside from that, we're also seeing heightened uncertainty in China, where the stock market has been taking a routing. Is currently down over 25%, in fact, in the last week and a half. This has had an impact in the FX markets. This means that the weakest currency at the moment is not the euro, it's the Australian dollar. In fact, Mr. Lane Clark commented on this yesterday in his report as well. So, Australian dollar being one of the largest exporters of iron ore, which is falling down in price, and also one of the largest exporters to China, which is obviously struggling at the moment. Certainly, stock markets are, means that the Aussie dollar has been coming under extreme pressure, has been down more, even more than the euro. Aside from that, in terms of stronger currencies, we are seeing yen as the strongest currency out there on back of safe haven buying. Dollar following sort of suit again on back of sort of fundamentals coming into play. We're also seeing oil prices down dramatically, and the bond market hasn't really changed much since yesterday, where we saw yields in German and US sort of bonds go down. However, yields in Spanish and Italian bonds are still under pressure, i.e. going up on back of contagion risk. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow with further updates on Greece. Thank you very much.